Hi everyone, welcome back to Geardo. Today we will show you a quick water test on the OnePlus 9 mobile phone. When unboxed, you get a charging adapter, cable, case and the manual. OnePlus 9 is coming with Snapdragon 888 chipset with Adreno 660 GPU and featured a 6.5-inch Fluid AMOLED screen. And it comes with a plastic mid-frame and Gorilla Glass Pride protection on the front screen and rear cover glass. The OnePlus 9 is highlighting the hasselbed partnership for their cameras. And there is no official claim from OnePlus regarding the waterproofing level on the Global Oneplus 9 variant. Anyways, let's try basic waterproofing test on the phone. Let's begin with the shower and water drop test. Once the water starts pouring into the screen, it creates its responses, but the functionalities are still intact. The coating is helping to isolate the water droplets on the screen. Just like the OnePlus 8, the device is coming with IP68 rated for the USA T-Mobile carrier version, but not for the global version. Another setback from OnePlus for the global audience. Anyways, let's continue the testing. And still, there is no change in the functionalities. It looks like the device can hold splashes and water drops. For further testing, let's place the phone into a small tank and fill it up with water. While we are getting ready, this is not good news. The backlight has started to flicker and flash. It seems like the water has damaged the OnePlus 9 internal components. Comparing to our previous water testing videos, this device should pass this step, but sadly it didn't go through, and this device has already damaged. OnePlus 9 is a great machine with powerful specs, but the waterproofing level is below the level. Our advice is to keep the device away from the water. Let's do the tear down and some cleaning to see this device will work or not. Stay tuned and let us know what you think. Do not forget to like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos. See you soon.